Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
It goes through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Turunkan aku.
Siap?
Ya, boom, boom.
With my Anche Tambalina!
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi!
The Guardian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock! Me be jumping now, man! Actually, this is my good side here.
Some cement. Here comes a nice fresh corn.
Pour it on.
Oh! You blocking the road! You gotta stop the car!
Officer, talk to...
See, man, the oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a bunch of lies.
Go around Willie's Butte and come back. There will be no bumping, no cheating, no spitting.
The glorious jewel strung on the necklace of Route 66. The Mother Road.
Not, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boy.
What's going on, ladies? All right now, let's have us a little look.
Hello, hey! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man! Get out of the gas! On the brake! On the brake!
Too fast.
We're back here.
Sorry.
Nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
Clean job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Lightning McQueen!
What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
Right this way. Doggone it, this is about my hook, ain't it? I know I should have checked.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last...
Start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy clap.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will...
there's a whole lot more to racing than just winning.
Go down the street. Go through the entire field in 3 laps? You want a big storm or not? Yeah.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Not my turn.